The time when we had the camera, then it's good.
Okay.
That's what's with it?
Light.
Let there be light.
Okay, that's what you need to do. That's your beer box. Isn't that thing supposed to turn into...
Okay, bye-bye.
I think it's supposed to turn into gas before it turns into...
You got that all on camera, too.
Yeah, I got it.
I should have got the video, huh?
Nathan needs to be here.
Where's Nathan?
Back fishing.
Is it turned off?
Hey, Ben, Nathan's on fire, too.
The rock's on fire.
The rock's on fire. He does this nightly. It's a nightly occurrence.
Okay, wait, is that Thomas smiling in front of
No way, I'm not getting close to that.
You want to like, put that out, guys.
It's got to burn off. We need to turn it off, though.
Still going.
That's draining out.
That's
draining out.
Grass on fire.
Spring grass.
Well, they're worse campers.
Until we close it, it's going to keep coming out.
Anybody want to be
Close it? Tip it.
There's like
Try to tip it out,
Buried over here.
You can't close it? What about that valve?
Can you stand it up?
Okay, who's got some gloves? Anybody have gloves?
Where's the...
I have a handkerchief.
Corey, do you have the pot holder?
No, I can't find it.
Yeah.
There you go. You took the left.
Someone's going to